hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northern Chisago and northwestern Polk counties, including the following locations: Rush City Airport, Wolf Creek, Branch, Cushing, Wild River, State Park, Harris, and Changwatana State Forest. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following county: Chisago, Minnesota, and Polk, Wisconsin.
Has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 559, effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Minnesota: Dodge, Fillmore, Riverview, Houston, Mallard, Olmsted, Wabasha, and Winona, and Buffalo, Wisconsin. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is NOAA weather radio. Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Dakota County and east central Minnesota, northwestern Gooding County and southeastern Minnesota until 5:45 p.m. At 5:19 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles north of Cannon Falls with 16 miles west. 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar indicated quarter-size hail. This is a radar indicated threat. Its vehicle is expected. Hail damage to roofs, siding, and damage to roofs. This severe thunderstorm will be near. This severe thunderstorm will be 25 feet and fall around 5:25 p.m. 5:35 p.m. around 5:35. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following county in Minnesota. Thunderstorm warning for eastern Dakota County, southern Washington County, west central Pierce County until 5:30 p.m. At 4:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Rosemount, or 13 miles south of St. Paul, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Hastings around 5:15 p.m. Other locations in the path of a severe thunderstorm include Prescott. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties in Minnesota: northeastern Winona County in southeastern Minnesota, northeastern Wabasha County in southeastern Minnesota, Buffalo County in west central Wisconsin, Buffalo County until 7:15 p.m. At 6:26 p.m. a severe thunderstorm was located over 5 miles from southeast at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following effects are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage. Buffalo City around 6:40 p.m. Buffalo around 6:45 p.m. Limestone around 7 p.m. Fountain City around 7:05 p.m. Winona and Goodview around 7:10 p.m. Around 7 p.m. Fountain City around 7:05 p.m. Highway Campground, Merrick State Park, Checkville, Lock and Dam 5A, Dodge, Cream and Highway 88 and Purposeful thunderstorm warning has 4 years protection. 7:15 p.m. for the following lowest floor of a building. Has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties in Minnesota, Wabasha and Winona, in Buffalo, Wisconsin. Broadcasting on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz. Learn more. This is a summary. Minnesota and extreme western Wisconsin. Thunderstorm warning for northwestern Winona County in southeastern Minnesota, northeastern Wabasha County in southeastern Minnesota, Buffalo County in west central Wisconsin until 7:15 p.m. At 6:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Alma, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Buffalo City around 6:40 p.m. Buffalo around 6:45 p.m. Longstone around 7 p.m. Fountain City around 7:05 p.m. Winona and Goodview around 7:10 p.m. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Pioneer Campground, Merrick State Park, Checkville, Lock and Dam 5A, Dodge, Cream and Highway 88 and County O. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties in Minnesota, Wabasha and Winona, and Buffalo, Wisconsin. Thunderstorm warning for southeastern Winona County in southeastern Minnesota, northeastern Houston County in southeastern Minnesota, Crosse County in west central Wisconsin until 8:15 p.m. At 7:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Galesville, or 13 miles southeast of Arcadia, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tennis ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Blackstone around 7:30 p.m. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, around 7:40 p.m. West Island and Raccoon around 7:45 p.m. West Salem around 7:50 p.m. Longer around 2 p.m. Other locations around 7:45 p.m. West Salem around 7:50 p.m. Irish Hill, north side of LaCrosse, Camp Dakota, south side of LaCrosse, Wood Island and Stevenstown. Irish Hill, north side of LaCrosse, Camp Dakota, 67 and 200 to 77. 6. Interstate 90 in Wisconsin between mile markers 1 and 20. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following counties in Minnesota, Houston and Winona, and La Crosse, Wisconsin. Storm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following counties in Minnesota, Houston and Winona, and La Crosse, Wisconsin. Broadcasting on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz from the National Weather Service Office in La Crosse, Wisconsin. This is a summary of hazardous weather for the southeast Minnesota and extreme western Wisconsin and the area. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 8:15 p.m. Friday for Houston. The National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Winona County in southeastern Minnesota, northeastern Houston County in southeastern Minnesota, La Crosse County in west central Wisconsin until 8:15 p.m. At 7:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Galesville, or 13 miles southeast of Arcadia, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tennis ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Bryce Prairie around 7:35 p.m. Alaska and Harmon around 7:40 p.m. La Crosse, French Island and La Crosse Airport around 7:45 p.m. West Salem around 7:50 p.m. Bangor around 8 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include County Roads June H, Irish Hill, north side of La Crosse, Camp Dakota, south side of La Crosse, Goose Island, and Stevenstown. This includes the following highways: Interstate 90 in Minnesota between mile markers 267 and 276. Interstate 90 in Wisconsin between mile markers 1 and 20. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following counties in Minnesota, Houston and Winona, and La Crosse, Wisconsin.
All right. So we're getting another thunderstorm.
To 10 miles an hour.
Stay tuned with the severe weather.
50%. Saturday, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 80s. North winds 5 to severe thunderstorm watch number 559 has been canceled for the following county: Goodhue, Minnesota.
Cancel the watch for Goodhue.
Severe thunderstorm watch number 559 remains in effect until 10 p.m. for the following counties in Minnesota: Dodge, Fillmore, Houston, Mauer, Olmsted, Wabasha, and
Thought I'd just get a little shot for the thumbnail.
Remember, a
video.
thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including
So it looks like Goodhue's on to watch.
in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions.
Sun is out, heating the moisture to get the moisture ready for thunderstorms. Oh yeah, one thing. This is A. Audi. Da 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 da.
Remains in effect until 7:15 p.m. for north central Winona, east central Wabasha, and central Buffalo counties. At 6:46 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Buffalo City, or 8 miles southeast of Alma, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 2-inch hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
I think it's considerable now.
This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured.
Look over that way.
Roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs,
Show my bikes and scooters.
The severe storm will be near Wellington around 7 p.m. Fountain City around 7:05 p.m. Winona around 7:10 p.m. Goodview around 7:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Wamandee, Montana, Weaver, Merrick State Park, Chickville, Highway 95, and County G and Rock and Dam 5A. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until...
So we're getting a thunderstorm again.
...counties in Minnesota, Waukesha, and Winona, and Buffalo, Wisconsin.
If you like these severe weather compilations I'm putting out for you every couple of days, then definitely subscribe to this channel because severe weather is occurring more frequently.
Upper 90s are possible at times this afternoon, mainly south of Interstate 94. Thunderstorms are likely to develop this afternoon and evening. A few storms may be strong to severe with damaging winds being the main threat. And now the